do.
So, rules. Gotta take your shoes off.
Thank you.
We've always done that. Why do we do that, Ace?
Because it's gross outside on the streets and we don't want it tracking all over our carpet.
So, let's take a tour of the living room. Because this, when we came in, was the reason that we wanted to book this place. Well, that we wanted to get this place.
This amazingness. It's as tall as me.
And on the fireplace, these are all scriptures. We did not put them there. This fireplace, and honestly the high ceilings too, because you come in here, it just feels so open and amazing.
And the lighting, the recessed lighting.
Oh, I was thinking the natural light.
Oh, well, the natural light too. So this took me like a year and a half to put up. I made the hello for our old apartment, and the rest of it is mostly Rifle Paper Co. because it's amazing.
These are from Venice. That's from Puerto Rico, when I went down and lived there for a month.
These I brought as a Christmas gift to myself because I knew I wanted them, but then forgot it and then found them and bought them.
What are these numbers, Ace?
These numbers are mainly from auditions. And so this is my lucky number, my 42, meaning of the universe from what I hear, and it got me a job offer from Disney. Welcome to Couch Talk with Issa. So this couch, Brian and his brother, when we moved in, pushed it through the door because it didn't fit. So we had to keep it. So it's damaged, so it's got a cover over it. And then all of this here is from the couch, and this here. And then the door frame is also, and our front door is also popped out.
Shh, we won't tell anybody. These are all pictures from our travels. A good deal of them came from our 3.5 months in Asia, but there's also some in here from California and Aruba. Yeah, all over the place. One of the other reasons that we got this place was because of the loft up there. We love Airbnb and we wanted to have a place where we can host guests. Oh! That sounded like it hurt, hun.
My toes!
Oh no!
So, word of caution, this bed is a little bouncy. Because we have 2 mattresses here because we got a new one and didn't know what to do with our old one. So, our old one's on the bottom now as a bed spring.
Yeah.
Box spring. And my toe still hurts.
Extra bouncy. We've never jumped on the bed quite like that before.
No, with the short ceilings, you don't really want to. Ooh, did I mark it? Is that for me?
We have left our mark on the apartment.
That is impressive. And then we have this amazing curtain.
Who made that amazing curtain?
Oh, I did.
You can chill up here in the chair. Comfy. Love this place. Let's check out the bedroom. So, loft's up there, and here's our bedroom.
People always ask where our bedroom is when they check in on Airbnb.
It's here.
It's here. It's underneath.
Closet back here, and a dresser. Let's keep going. To the kitchen.
The kitchen.
Honestly, this is where we spend most of our time. Because we love to eat.
And we love our kitchen.
Who did this?
I did that.
You're so amazing.
The chairs are actually still too high for the counters, and so your legs don't really fit under them either. So we sit sideways here.
It's close enough. We have our meals at home. We pick out a card, and we ask each other questions. Like, if you didn't have to worry about money, what would you do with your life?
Brian would do YouTube.
Well, I would travel and do YouTube.
I don't know what I do.
You'd probably just do art, graphic design and stuff.
No, I travel.
And, well, with me.
And we love this.
The Le Creuset.
Yeah.
So
it's
nice.
Our favorite pasta sauce.
We just lost one of these.
We're pretty sure we threw it out.
It's highly possible.
And this trash can is so teeny tiny because I was afraid of cockroaches and having a big one, so we take it out often.
Yep. We also have this extra closet here. This is food. I put in these shelves. I'm really happy. I'm really excited about my handiwork in there. Yay. And we have this other closet up here for suitcases and other random stuff. and our dining room table, which we'll move out. I'm gonna put it in the middle of the living room when we need to eat. And this pops open. That's where we live. So, what are you gonna miss the most about this apartment?
The high ceilings, the loft, the fireplace, our bedroom, the first floor that's not a first floor.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
I think the thing that I'll miss the most is how close we are to Central Park.
Well, that's a good one. And how close we are to the subway.
Mm-hmm.
And how close we are to Friends.
And Riverside Park.
And CVS.
Yeah.
And a grocery store with a bad smelling cheese section.
Oh.
But kind of decent prices.
Barzini's.
I just remember walking in here and just thinking it was the most amazing thing. Being like, I saw this one.